In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit the audio that may be in your videos in Premiere Pro. I have a video here of myself speaking, and I want to make sure the audio is at the best quality that it can be before I publish the video, and I'm going to walk through how to do that. First, I will click on the audio, then I will right-click, and I will select down here at the bottom, Auto Tag Audio Types. This opens up a window on the right. And right now the audio is already set to dialogue, but I'm going to clear that to show you how you would do this. So right now you have the option to preset it, and you can set it to dialogue or music or some other options. Typically, you will just be working with music if you have a music track, or dialogue if you have a dialogue track. So I will select dialogue. And then from dialogue, you have different options. Typically, options that I will use are balanced high tone voice or low tone voice. If there is a lot of background noise, I will use clean up noisy dialogue. Some other options that you might find helpful are from outside a building if you're shooting outside, podcast voice, or other options like that. But typically the two that I use the most are balanced high tone and balanced low tone. So for my video, I will select balanced high tone voice because I have a higher tone voice. And this will actually adjust the audio track to better portray that. If you had a music track as well, the track would be located below your dialogue audio track. And you would, instead of selecting dialogue, you would select music. And the option that I find most helpful is balanced background music. Otherwise, the music will be very overpowering when you have it play along with the dialogue. But when you use balanced background music, it changes the volume of the music track so that it pairs very nicely with the dialogue. So whenever you have audio, whether that be voices or background music or both in a video, I recommend using the Auto Tag Audio Type feature to make sure that the audio is at the best quality that it can be before you publish the video.